Hi folks. Welcome back. Let's proceed with step 31, shall we? Let's add the text, "I accept the terms and conditions," after the checkbox to let our users know for what thing they are checking the box. We also need to link the external terms and conditions page to our text so that users who actually want to read can redirect to that page. Step 32. Let's move to our final field set. Let's say we want our users to upload their profile picture. We gotta create a space which accepts file as an input. So let's add a label with the text, "Upload a profile picture," and nest an input with the typeset as file. In our registration form, even if you upload picture of your great-grandmother, nobody's gonna ask. Go ahead and upload a picture of your favorite K-pop idol. Step 33. After the profile picture, we just want to know the age of our users. So, let's nest an input with the typeset as number. But there's a minimum and maximum range of ages allowed to register. So, let's set minimum age to 13 and maximum age to 120, just in case a superhuman interested in your webpage. So the age outside of this range won't be accepted, unless you choose to lie about it. Step 34. Let's ask another information from our users, and they gotta select an option within the drop-down menu of options provided. To do that, let's add select element, which is a container for the group of option elements, and then nest 5 option elements within the select element. Step 35. Now we gotta nest the select element within a label element with the text, "How did you head about us?" When the users read this question, they gotta choose an option among the options we provide them. Step 36. So these are the options we need to provide. If your friend's cousin sister told you about us, no problem, choose the last option. Don't talk to me if you choose the first option. Step 37. Every option has to have its own value, or else the browser wouldn't know which option is chosen. So let's give an empty value to first option and 1 to 4 number as value to next 4 options. Step 38. Now, if we want our users to provide us a whole bio about themselves, we gotta provide them a multi-line text area and initial number of text rows and columns. So let's add a label element with the text, "Provide a bio," and within the label element, let's nest in text area element. Step 39. Okay, there are 4 label elements in total. We gotta link each label element with its respective input elements using for and ID attributes. The values are profile picture, age, referrer, and bio. Step 40. The text area is too small for our users. Our users like everything big. So, let's set rows value to 3 and column size to 30 of our text area. Alright, that's all for today, folks. Hope you like, share, comment on my videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you all in the next one.